Good morning. It's Sunday, May 3rd, 2020, and I was supposed to get my period on Thursday, so I'm going to take a pregnancy test. Here we go. Now we wait 2 to 10 minutes.
Keeping myself pretty and snappy, I'm keeping myself thinking I'm happy. I've been on the shelf, keeping myself for you, dear. Making myself dresses and laces, I'm taking myself nowhere and places. What more can I do? Keeping myself for you.
Oh my god. It's been less than 3 minutes. I think I'm pregnant. I feel sick to my stomach. I'm so excited. Okay. It's a riddle, not a joke, okay?
Okay.
I'm so nervous. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. I hope you know how much I love you. You've made my heart beat so big that now there are 2. Do you get it?
Are you pregnant?
Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah.
How do you know?
But
Where is it?
We're gonna be parents.
Yeah.
Aren't you ever, Pontus?
It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Baby's on the way.
And now we're gonna need some space. And we have just a spot. It's actually one of the first rooms we renovated, and it's taken on quite a few transformations. It was a spare bedroom, and then Hannah's office, and now it's gonna be a nursery.
I'm excited and anxious all at the same time. Are you anxious?
No.
Of course you're not. You don't have to push the thing out of your body. Jeez Louise.
First things first, some primer going over a nice paint job.
Our paint reveals are never exciting.
There's always a joker in the pack.
You'll see it once the whole wall is done. It's called ghost painting.
There's always a lonely clown, and everyone laughs when he's down. There's
I could cut it all by hand, but I have a machine that can do it for me.
only heartbreak. They don't care as long as there is a jester, just a fool, as foolish as he can be. They don't care as long as
So cute. It's perfect there.
I think they might feel slightly blindsided.
Yeah. A little bit of a surprise. Why?
Yeah, I don't know, because we don't appear to have her together.
All right. Is your heart racing or what?
Feel it.
Oh my jeez.
Making myself dresses and laces, I'm taking myself nowhere and places. What more can I do? Keeping myself for
Hello.
you.
How was your dinner? Good. Anyways, this is for both of you guys because I can't give it to you just for Mother's Day and you not for Father's Day. So.
But you guys have to be together when you open it.
Yeah.
Could sit on my knee.
It's just a little something.
So we can count you out for the Father's Day gift?
Oh. Yeah.
No. Seriously?
Really?
Oh, cool.
You're pregnant? I know, I feel like throwing up all the time.
What?
No, you're not.
What?
I know. Are you crying? She's like,
We lost that bet! We lost that bet!
Congratulations, you two.
Do you see what it says?
What does it say?
It says this shirt is daddy proof. Arm, head, snaps. Oh, and pat here to burp.
A baby doesn't look too difficult any longer.
And with this next chapter in our life, it's important to keep our family safe, so we want to thank Simply Safe for sponsoring our video. Simply Safe is an award-winning security system that gives you round-the-clock protection with 24/7 monitoring by professionals who will contact the police in the event of an emergency. For all your security needs.
It's so easy to set up. You just get your device, click the button in the back.
Entry sensor detected. Now choose a name.
Literally immediately finds it.
When the door opens, these will divide and we'll know that the door has been opened. So we just peel this off and stick.
Wow.
Ta-da! And when it opens, they separate enough that it'll give us a notification.
One door secure. This is a keypad. You could adhere it anywhere.
Yeah, probably there by the door.
Once we go away, we just press away. And it gives us a little countdown. Now it says the system's alarmed. Open the door.
I'm nervous.
It says enter your PIN. And it gives you this little beeping countdown.
What's our pin?
Oh, I'm not telling you.
Because they won't be able to sneak up on you.
It's my secret PIN. Uh-oh. Whoa! That little speaker is quite loud.
That's all coming from that? Shut it off.
Alarm off.
Whew. What I'm really looking forward to are these, actually. A smart smoke detector and a smart carbon monoxide detector.
Yeah.
The subtle safety features in the house which
Make all
offer the
difference.
biggest impact,
Yeah.
honestly, that every home should have.
I agree. It's so like low pro, you don't even notice it over there. Can you see it? Option to secure our home and monitor ourselves is great. Makes me feel safe when we're away and when we're home too. That way we can protect our fur babies and our newest edition. I like that you can order it online, so when your baby brain is like, oh my gosh, I have 100 things I need to do, when you think of it, you just go on, order it, and then it shows up a week later and you're like, oh yeah, I ordered that, great. It's like Christmas for your home security.
Lonely heartbreak. They don't care as long as there is a jester.
Whoa, what a nice basket of leaves.
All kinds of goodies in there.
There's always a joker, that's the rule. But fate deals a hand that I see. They don't care as long as.
Is that strong enough?
You're definitely heavier than a toddler. It makes me want to curl up and have a nap. It says roses are red, violets are blue. This love that we share is gonna make a daddy out of you. So get ready because in January 2021, our baby is due. There's a PS though. Roses are red, violets are blue. At first I didn't know what to do. Yesterday you ruined my surprise, so this is take number 2.
Why did I ruin your surprise?
Because I bought the little mini ice cream and I was gonna give you a baby spoon.
Oh, and I ate it all?
You got your dessert with your second serving.
And we are dancing.
This is so dramatic.
I get ideas. I get ideas. I want to hold you so much closer than I dare to
Curtain tie back.
with you.
There's no space here. Ouch, you're my hair.
In a couple weeks, we're having a baby. I know. And this room will be occupied.
I can't wait to bring them in here for the first time.
Like, and subscribe. Like, and subscribe.
And share.
Gotta move faster than that.
I'm pregnant. You move faster than that. Can you scratch my ankle?